Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever dreamed of being your own boss? We're diving into the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom. We'll break down complex concepts into easy steps. This guide will equip you to launch your online business. Let's get started. E-commerce is simply buying and selling goods or services online. It's revolutionized how we shop. From giant marketplaces like Amazon to independent boutiques, e-commerce offers incredible reach and convenience. Now, with a few clicks, you can shop for anything from the comfort of your home. They handle everything from website hosting to payment processing. This makes launching your online venture smoother and more accessible. Dropshipping is a unique e-commerce model. Instead of stocking inventory, you partner with a supplier. They handle storage and shipping directly to your customer. Think of yourself as the middleman. You focus on marketing and customer service. Your supplier takes care of the rest. This eliminates the need for a physical store or warehouse. It's a lean and efficient way to run your business. Let's contrast this with traditional retail. Imagine a clothing store. They buy inventory up front, manage storage, and handle shipping themselves. This ties up capital and involves significant overhead. Dropshipping removes these burdens. You don't pay for products until a customer places an order. This significantly reduces your financial risk. It's a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. You can test different products and niches without large upfront investments. Dropshipping is a unique e-commerce model. Instead of stocking inventory, you partner with a supplier. They handle storage and shipping directly to your customer. Think of yourself as the middleman. You focus on marketing and customer service. Your supplier takes care of the rest. This eliminates the need for a physical store or warehouse. It's a lean and efficient way to run your business. Dropshipping offers numerous advantages for entrepreneurs. Low startup costs are a major draw. You don't need to invest heavily in inventory. This makes it accessible to a wider range of people. Flexibility is another key benefit. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. This allows for a fantastic work-life balance. The scalability of dropshipping is another attractive aspect. As your business grows, your supplier handles the increased order volume. You can focus on marketing and customer service, scaling your business without being bogged down by logistics. Successful dropshipping businesses highlight the potential of this model. Consider the story of Blue Crate, a company that curates and delivers personalized subscription boxes. They leveraged dropshipping to scale rapidly and reach a global audience. While dropshipping offers incredible potential, it's essential to be aware of potential challenges. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial. Partner with suppliers who prioritize quality and timely delivery. Thorough research and due diligence are key. Competition is another factor to consider. The ease of entry into dropshipping means you'll need to differentiate your business. Focus on a niche market, offer excellent customer service, and build a strong brand identity. Managing customer service effectively is paramount since your supplier handles shipping. Addressing any issues promptly and professionally is vital. Transparency with your customers is key. Clearly communicate shipping times and return policies. By proactively addressing these challenges, you can set your dropshipping business up for success. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth and learning. Ready to embark on your dropshipping journey? Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, identify a profitable niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? Thorough market research is essential. Next, choose your dropshipping platform. Shopify is a popular choice for its user-friendliness. Research different options and select the one that aligns with your needs. Now it's time to find reliable suppliers. Platforms like Spocket and Sale who vet suppliers, ensuring quality and reliability. Once you've partnered with suppliers, create your online store. Invest in high-quality product photos and compelling product descriptions. A visually appealing and user-friendly website is crucial. Finally, market your store. Utilize social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to launch your own dropshipping business. Remember, success takes time and effort. Stay committed, continuously learn and adapt to the ever-evolving e-commerce landscape. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The world of e-commerce awaits. Take the first step towards financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. Start small, learn as you go, and never stop innovating. Your dream of running your own business is within reach. Now go out there and make it happen.